Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to decorate a mini cake. Yes, this mini Oreo cake, a mini Oreo cake. This mini Oreo cake is like a small 2-inch cake. Let me show you guys. Like, I'm using like a small 2-inch pan to bake it. Like, I already baked it. I'm going to show you guys how to give it like an Oreo design. So this cake is perfect for you if maybe like you want a small cake and you want it to be really cute and pretty, maybe for a birthday or for an anniversary celebration, especially in this quarantine times where like you can maybe throw a party but you want a cake for maybe you and your boyfriend or your friends, just like 3, 4, 5, 6 people, like just like 3, 5, 6, 7 servings, depending on how much you like it. This could be 1 serving, you know. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to decorate a mini cake with whipped cream and some Oreos. It is very easy and very beginner friendly. So if you don't know how to decorate cakes, don't worry, this is the perfect cake for you. So let's get started. So guys, I already baked a red velvet cake and it had no Oreos in it, so I just baked a plain red velvet cake in a 2-inch pan. And then when you're baking your cakes, if you don't like normally bake cakes, you make sure you line your pan with parchment paper. It makes your life easier because it makes it rise a little bit higher and it makes it easier for you to like take the cake out of the pan. Okay, so now we are going to slice it. Do you know how to slice cakes? If you don't know how to slice your cakes with a free hand, just like me, you can buy a cake slicer, or if you already have one, just use your cake slicer. It makes your life a lot easier. Okay, so what you want to do is slice your cake first, and then today we're going to be covering it in whipped cream. Yeah, if you want to see my whipped cream recipe, I'm going to put the link in the description box below so you can click on that. And today we're going to be decorating our cake with mini Oreos that I already bought, even though I already ate more than half of it. Okay, so now I want to layer with whipped cream, and when you're layering with whipped cream and you're putting something in between, like for example in this case we're going to be putting Oreos in between. If you're putting fruits or jam or whatever filling you're putting inside, make sure like it is in the middle and it is not spilling out of the cake. That way like your cake won't stay put, it will just be like bending in different directions. So make sure it is in the middle. And if you're using something from like Oreos and fruits, make sure you put some on top to hold the cream, to hold the cake on top. Does that make sense? Anyways, okay, so if you're here to win this cake, if you're watching this video to win this cake and you've watched till this point, all you have to do is repost the picture. I'm going to post the picture on my Instagram page, on my Instagram story. All you have to do is repost that picture, and by 6 p.m. repost and comment done in the comment section below on this video, and by 6 p.m. I'm going to pick a winner for this mini Oreo red velvet cake, and that's all. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is layer everything. Once everything is layered, you're going to do a light crumb coat. So if you're not following me on Instagram, could you please follow me on Instagram, and at the same time please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Like, click on like right now if you're still watching at this point. So this is the perfect cake for like 3 or 4 people, especially in this quarantine time, so you don't have to like have a lot of cake remnants for your birthday or for whatever your event is. Just make sure you buy those pans. They sell those pans in regular stores, like stores where they sell kitchen utensils or like kitchenwares. Basically, you can buy like mini pans there. So I'm going to be doweling this cake with a straw, and the reason why I'm doing that is because the straw helps it stay upright so it won't bend, because you know the cake is very small and it won't be so easy to maneuver. So you want to like put something in the middle. You can use a straw, you can use a skewer, like those long toothpicks they use for kebabs. Yes, you can use a skewer, or you can use a dowel if you have one. But if you don't have a dowel, just use a straw, or you can use a skewer. That works too. It's just to hold your cake in place. So once you're done with the crumb coat, then we're going to put a second coat of whipped cream around your cake. Okay, so if you're a cake decorator and you like to buy the tools I use in this video, I have some tools I use, and these are like my go-to tools, and they make cake decorating easy for you. For example, this scraper is the bomb. Like, it makes sure your cake is standing straight and nothing is bending, and like you can scrape everything at one go. You don't have to maybe go several rounds, and that makes your life easier and it makes the work a lot neater for you. So I'm going to put the link in the description below, so in case you want to buy any of them. And yes, I get a commission. I get a little commission every time you buy something with those links, so please buy. Thank you. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to do the second coat of whipped cream. Yeah, okay, so make sure you put all of the whipped cream like around the cake. Make sure every perimeter of the cake is covered with whipped cream. This is the easiest way for you to scrape your cream cakes. That way you won't spend hours and hours trying to get it smooth, because like maybe some parts are empty or anything. So make sure like you put enough cream everywhere. Make sure there's cream at every point, like excess cream basically, and then you now scrape off the excess cream. Like, don't put the cream you need, put excess cream more than you need. That way you scrape the excess off. If that makes sense. That way you can like do your cake so fast, and like you don't have to maybe be scraping and be adding. Okay, so once you've smoothened your cake and scraped the excess off from the sides and from the top, now we are going to decorate with our mini Oreos and see what was remaining, because I already ate half of it. Okay, so now at this stage, like I had to like pull them apart so like it can be enough a little, and I didn't even know what style I wanted to do or what design. I was just doing my thing, or most times that's why like my cakes don't turn out the same way, because sometimes like I'm trying to do the same thing, it's just not doing. So anyway, so now what I'm trying to do is like arrange like the Oreo straight down, horizontal, no, that's vertically to the middle, and then I'll arrange by the sides still. And then I thought to myself, why not paint some gold so it can be really pretty and highlight the cake, because this way it kind of looks dull and too plain. So now I'm going to take some edible gold dust and I'm going to try to paint on top of the Oreos, each one. Not like paint completely. You want the Oreo to still be able to peep out a little, so it will look like Oreos and it won't look like coins. Yeah, because if you paint it too much it will look like coins. So you want to paint it just a little, and then you're going to attach it to the cake by the sides of the vertical one. I was not sure how I wanted to arrange this, but I knew like I wanted it to look like I don't know, I was just arranging it. Basically I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, I was just putting it. So there are no rules to cake decorating, just do your thing, and like trust me, something will come out. Like it won't look like normal, I don't know, but something will look nice. It will look nice in a way. Maybe. So now I'm going to put sprinkles around it so that the other parts won't look too plain or too neglected. So I'm just going to throw some sprinkles around it, and I like to use like a medley of sprinkles, maybe some white, some silver, and some gold. Like it gives it this, you know, like you did something extra even though you didn't do that much extra to it. And that's all she wrote, guys. See how pretty it is now that we've like added sprinkles and some other ceramic to it, so it looks really nice. So thank you guys, and I hope you like this video, and if you end up winning this cake, enjoy. I made it especially with you in mind. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.